Hello, my friend. My name is Romel Cano. I am laboratory technical industrial engineering student. I have a wife and two children. I am good friend at very helpful. I am currently live in Solid Atlantic, Barrio Los Robles. Good afternoon. Welcome in that I can serve you. Good afternoon. Can you please pass me is the letter? Is you happy is the letter? Please, what do you recommend to me today? If you want to do it, what recommend? What right it with chicken? Wait, I think I should think ever eat AB. Excuse me, I can't tell you order. Yes, I should not miss an special meal. Then to the order.